Hey guys, Shreyaan here, and as you probably know by now, Windows 11 has leaked on the internet. So supposedly this is a leaked version of Windows 11, and Microsoft's event is on June 24th, which is at the time of this video today. So I happen to have gotten my hands on the leaked version of Windows 11. So let's explore all the new changes Microsoft has to offer, because Microsoft originally said that Windows 10 is going to be the last version of Windows, but now it seems like Microsoft is taking a different approach. So of course, you still have the normal default lock screen and all the normal login. So the first major redesign is the UI, of course. So as you can see, now the tiles are centered instead of being on the left hand side, and the animations are much more smoother. So you can see how much smoother it looks. Even just opening like File Explorer, it looks much better now. And of course the rounded edges are here now, so even if I just do this, the animation is much more smoother instead of just it automatically just going to the corner. And now suppose that I have two windows open, and I'll just minimize this a bit, and some multitasking tools are built in directly now. All you have to do is just hover over this icon and it'll give you two options. So that's it for the navigation stuff over here. So let's go ahead and close that. So to make sure that I'm actually running Windows 11, I have opened the About Windows tab. You can see Windows 11, and as far as I know now, Microsoft is sending out DMCA copyright takedowns to all the websites that were hosting the leaked ISO, so it's really unlikely to find it anywhere else on the internet now. But that said, I think some people who have their hands on will still be able to do it and get like experience of Windows 11. And the name Windows 11 is not confirmed. Microsoft has their event at 11 a.m. Eastern, which might suggest it's Windows 11. And last week they also published a video on their official YouTube channel of Windows startup sounds, and which also happened to be 11 minutes long. Okay, so there's now a different search menu than it being in the homes thing. So it's not just a dedicated tool. You can still search by just going here, and if I type like Chrome, it just automatically opens that up. And one thing to note is that I'm running this on a virtual machine on my Mac, which means it's not running on bare metal, it's running inside of a host operating system, which in my case is Mac OS. And I'm running on the Intel version because I have an Intel Mac. So of course you can see the new wallpaper, which looks really nice in my opinion. And as far as I know, that Windows 11 has like stopped working for some users who installed it on bare hardware, because I think Microsoft found a way to lock down the installer so it won't install into your PC without having like into VM. So every article you find online, every video you find online of Windows 11, it's going to be hosted in a VM until the official launch, which is today. So this is also, the settings page is not hugely changed at all, but now you get a bit more personalization with the background and the themes that you choose. So now you also have the Windows default dark theme. So if I quickly switch over to that, let's just give it a moment. Okay, there we go. So this is the black theme in my opinion. This looks far better than the white one, but of course this is subjective and it depends on what you like. So I think I'm going to change it back to white for this video. Alright, so now Windows 11 supposedly has a new widgets function. So widget seems to be like the new trend in design this year. Last year Apple introduced it with macOS Big Sur and then with iOS 14. Now they're taking a step further with iOS 15 and macOS Monterey, which they announced at WWDC this year. So widgets are taking some time to load, but let's just wait for them. Okay, here they are. So of course you can customize these widgets. You can customize them to whatever you want. It's linked to your Microsoft profile. You can see the weather and then some other customizable widgets, and it conveniently just goes away. And also task view. So if you are a Mac user, you know about the desktops. So like this, if I just go, you can see desktops, right? So Windows is having a similar approach this now. So for example, if I make two desktops and let's say I want to open File Explorer in this one, and then let's go to another desktop and open up Edge. And this is taking a bit of time to load because I'm running it into a virtual machine and screen recording at the same time. So once it's of course launched, you won't have to worry about that. Supposedly Windows 11 is supposed to be like way more efficient and way more optimized and run faster even on older PCs. Those animations sure help. So now you can see these separately, and I can even move things from one desktop to another. So I just moved the Edge from desktop 2 to desktop 1. Now I'm going to move File Explorer from desktop 1 to desktop 2. So let's drag it here. There we go. So now I'm just going to close the browser, and once you close the desktop, they all come to one desktop. That's like the main host desktop. And now you can have different wallpapers for each desktop. It's all in the customization, personalization stuff in Windows. And one really big feature that is essential to a lot of people is having multiple monitors, right? So people have multiple monitors, they put stuff on different monitors. Like for example, let's say I have some stats on a monitor on my left, and then I have a Google Doc in the middle and some Excel sheet on my left. So say that's all running off my laptop, and now I want to go outside with my laptop quickly. So I can just unplug, go take my laptop, come back, plug it back in into the monitors, and everything supposedly would automatically go back to exactly where you left it. So no more weird window shifting and cutting off. And of course, this once this gets launched today, it's gonna be released probably sometime next week or next month as a developer preview. So just like how Apple does it. And then I think in around like October, November, Windows 11 or whatever it's going to be called is going to actually go public. So you can see in the settings option multiple displays, and then it says remember window location based on monitor connection. So this is a key feature like that is essential to some people. So again, there are more multitasking like layouts better, and virtual desktops, again that's the thing I was talking about. Title bar window shake. So this is of course if you have like a tablet or something. It also has again like other tablet mode stuff. Windows already has tablet mode, but just more advanced features. So you can see over here let's see how so again, like, you can see the screenshot tools built in right here, and you can even minimize the dock. Let's see where that is. So it should be in personalization, if I remember correctly, and it should be taskbar. And now you can see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So once I click that, then it automatically goes away once it's in desktop mode, and of course in tablet mode it will go away too. It doesn't seem to be going away, probably because my computer is lagging. Let's try that once again. It's probably a glitch in Windows, a bug right now, because this was supposedly leaked, but it was working for me before I started shooting this video. So you can still of course set the taskbar alignment here, but I kind of prefer it in the middle. Of course some people do prefer it in the left hand corner, as they're used to, because Windows has been like this for a long time. So let's actually see if the start menu would actually come in the middle or still on the left. Okay, so now it's coming on the left, much more like people are used to. You can of course get the legacy Windows menu in Windows 11 also by doing a quick registry edit, which I don't recommend you do, because if you change something wrong in the registry, you are likely to have a broken version of Windows. So overall, Windows 11 introduces a whole new UI, new multitasking options, new taskbar things. Desktop experience has also improved significantly. Tablet, it seems to be like more focused on tablet users, and of course a visual redesign. So that's pretty much it for Windows 11 right now. The Windows 11 event is on June 24th, which is today at the time of filming this video. So in case you haven't watched it by the time this video comes out, I'll have a link down in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I think that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.